Have you knelt beside the bone of an aching, broken heart? To the things you gave your life to fell apart. You're not the first to be acquainted with sorrow, grief, or pain, but the Master promised sunshine after rain. So hold on, my child, joy comes in the morning. Weeping only lasts for the night. Hold on, my child, joy comes in the morning. The darkest sounding storm is just inside. To invest your seed of trust in God in mountains you cannot move. You have risked your life on things you cannot prove.
Oh yeah!
But to give the things you cannot keep, for what you cannot lose. Now that's the way to find the joy God has for you. My child, joy comes in the morning.